Hello and welcome to Patrick's Models and Transport. We're going to fit the number plate, the rear number plate, there it is, that very small thing, to the Brumm Fiat 500C Topolino, the one that has been in my possession since I was a small boy, about 6 years old more or less, and I began restoring it in 1993 when I repainted it, because the original paint was very decayed and been played with intensely, and I scraped all the old paint off and I painted it with some, at that point, rather old Humbrol paint diluted with turpentine. And I'm going to fit the number plate here on a number plate holder. Original number plate came off, was very damaged, and so when I finished the restoration work last summer, and I rebuilt the missing folding cloth roof. I hope the light, you can see this thing in focus, because there you go. Of course, it's daytime, but the sun's coming in, electric light and all the rest of it. And in fact, we're working on very dark things, so I'm going to add a spot of light with my LED lamp. Okay, now maybe we can see a bit better. So I painted my decal paper as transparent, it's clear. So I painted the background for the Italian number plates. Old ones are black with white letters, so I painted the number plate holder white to get the white letter effect. Okay, right, so let's get going. Usual technique. Here's our little number plate down there. Very thin decal paper, this laser print stuff, so it has to be fitted properly. No putting it in the saucer, decal floating off and putting it on with tweezers. So no lazy way, it's the proper way. So we'll just wet the number plate holder with the brush. Then I'll fit the number plate. In fact, I'm going to shift this out of the road because I have to keep it more vertical. I'm trying not to cover things with my hands. Okay. You stay on there by capillary effect, don't you? Capillary effect, my foot. Capillary effect held by a finger. Bingo. Right, where's my toothpick? Nowhere to be seen. I'll just get another one, it's over there. Let's try and do things well. So I think we can shift this saucer out of the road, and this way we can work better. Tweezers. Let's just keep this in position. Like that. Now we're going to wet the number plate with more water, the brush, and try and not get the thing to come off. This is not a great way of working. A lot of water. Okay. Detaches very quickly, very quickly, and of course I'm working in a, let's see if we put the thing, shift that out of the road, let's put it in a cradle, maybe we'll manage to, oh perfect, bingo, work better like this. maybe I can work better and you can see better. Righto, now I'm going to hold the decal in place with the toothpick and try and separate it from the supporting paper at the back. Here's my paper. I'm going to catch that with the tweezers. Just the paper, not the decal. Off you go. That's you, out the road. Tweezers are not needed. Let's center it. We'll center it with the toothpick. I'm going to get another cotton bud. With the cotton bud, I'm removing the excess water. This way it'll stop floating around on the number plate holder. Not too much because we want to center it. I'm keeping my head at a very silly angle. And I see that that's perfectly centered. Now I take the cotton bud, now that it's centered, I take the cotton bud and I dab it lightly to get rid of the water and make it adhere properly to the number plate holder. There we go. PD 75725. Ready to hit the road again in 1/43 scale. And this is the final touch of a restoration that I began in 1993. So that was a long time ago. That was nearly 31 years ago I began restoring this. Then I was one of the last modelling jobs I did, because then everything more or less got interrupted. I was become a proper adult, and so that's that. That's, for me, this is a very important moment. It's, maybe we could say, as good as new. Okay, if you enjoyed the video, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell and share. Cheerio, and see you next time.